Here we have a 2026 Nissan Frontier Pro X with the 4.0 V6. It's all stock right at the moment. We're going to change that up a little bit. We're going to put a nice black tip on the back, kind of match all the black accents on there. We're going to put a Magnaflow wide open straight through muffler on it to liven it up a little bit. I'm going to leave all the factory emissions alone, as we always do. Leave the factory resonator on there. Try to help a little bit of the drone, but customer wants to hear it a little bit. We'll get back to you here. All right, so we're back, and it looks a little different now. Got a nice blacked out look to it. Black 4-inch double wall tip there. Looks really clean on the back. We put the Magnaflow, like we said, the dual in, single out, wide open muffler. So should just give it a little wake up call. Let's see what it sounds like. Oh yeah, I got a little rumble to it. Nothing crazy loud. Customer doesn't want to wake up the neighborhood, so you can definitely tell it's on now. Kind of settles down. When it's just idling, and you get on a little bit, you definitely hear it. There you go. All right, sounds really good.